Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Kerbal Space Program. This is episode 19. Yeah, we'll go with that. Anyway, I've built a little bit of a different rocket design here. I played around off camera, so we're gonna see how this does. Basically, more fuel tanks, stronger engines. We'll see if we can get into orbit here. So, without further ado, let us go. Alright. Our SAS is working. Oh, I forgot to put a wheel on it. Reaction wheel. Uh-oh. Hopefully. Is it in disaster? Uh-oh. Good grief, we are cooking. Another night launch here. This looks pretty cool. Alright, throttle up slightly. Alright. We get a little Kerbin rise. Here comes the sun. Whoa. Don't really care about being in a perfect equatorial orbit. We'll just go with let's just see how our height's doing. We'll just go with whatever we happen to fall into here. Doing quite well. Here we go. Keep going. We might actually make it in orbit this time. So as usual. Ooh, more boosters. Seems to be the the solution. Alright. Rotate this a little this way. I start our burn when we hit 75,000 meters. Hey, look at us. I stuck some batteries on it because that way we have enough power to do some experiments and stuff. Let's... Alright, 80,000. That's a little later than I wanted, but that's good enough. See if that flattens out the orbit. Alright, we're growing the orbit out. Alright, we might have to wait till the apoapsis. That's where we're going to spend the least amount of energy into getting our butts up there. Alright, that's quite a fall. How are we doing on fuel? Not too shabby. Don't forget, we have another stage to go through. Alright. Throttle down a little. There, alright. Don't want any explosions. At least not yet. Okay, we may wait till we get back up there again. Okay. Let's burn. Keep an eye on that fuel. Throttle back. Alright. Wait till we get back out here. So what I'm doing is just chasing the apoapsis here. That's the point where you can put energy into your orbit, momentum into your orbit, and it's the least costly way to do it, basically. Ah, we got a periapsis. Alright. Whew. That's something. Alright. We may not have enough gas to make it home, but we are in orbit. Sweet. So, let's see. Microgravity's affected the growth of crystalline structures. It's only 5 science. It's not really worth it. Let's see. Let's get into the sunlit side of things here. Does that do anything for us? Not really. Reset experiment. Whew. Alright. Let's do an EVA. Nothing. Alright. Alright, so we kind of milked all of this for the science that we can get. I might do a couple of loops here. Let's see. M. I don't know if we'll be able to get Jeb back here. I'm gonna get back out there to the Apoapsis. But yeah, we are in orbit. So now if we wanted to go to the Mun, well, we need to plan better than this. We'd just, you know, burn at a point in our orbit where we would do a transfer orbit and just catch it. So normally there are points, I forget the name of them now, but points at what you would burn and it would make it easier. Again, you want to conserve your energy. We'll keep data. Let's see, will EVA out here do us anything? Report. Hey, keep data. Nice. Alright, so let's see if we can recover. Alright, let's see. I'm going to do I don't know how to auto save. Let's see. I made liberal use of the that's the right one, right? It's got the X in it. Yes. Right? I can't tell. It's so on a line there. But I think that is it. I guess we'll find out here. Yes, that's it. Alright, we'll bring our periapsis in. Yeah, there we go. We'll be safely... Yeah, we're safely in the atmosphere now. Alright, so we've hit orbit. And we got back. We're going pretty darn fast, though. And we don't have a lot of gas left. So we'll see if we actually can recover. Gosh, so dark. To get some lights. Ooh. It's kind of a cool shot if it were lighter. Let's see. Let me see if I can't rotate here. There we go. And screenshot. There we go. All right. Let's just burn them while we got them here. All right. Get rid of that mass. We'll see if we burn up, skip off, or crash. I'm going with crash. Let's see. Yeah, we're going much too fast for a safe entry at this point. Entirely too fast. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are we facing the right way, right? Yeah. Someone's knocking on my door or something. I don't know what's going on. I have to go check that out. Here in a minute. Alright. Yeah, we aren't bleeding off nearly enough. Well, we're kind of higher in the atmosphere, so maybe. Oh! There went our materials bay. What's this little meter here? Oh, that's the overheat. Okay, yeah, we are going way fast. So, I have to revert this puppy. Good grief. Alright, we're almost down below 1,000. Is that more braking? Yeah, that's braking pretty good there. Alright. Well, our lab didn't survive. It's okay, it was only 5 science anyway. But, alright, and now we just have to drift down. And it is safe to deploy these. Safe. Alright, let's... Since we don't need that other one, we'll just... That was on there for the added weight from the science lab, which we don't have anymore. But, yeah, first orbital flight. Not bad. Why not? Deploy them both. We brought them both. Alright. Let's get on down here. Landing in the mountains. Hey, and we have landed in the side of a hill here. So let's do an EVA. Plant a flag. Let go. Alright. Very nice. Plant flag. Call this Jeb's Hill first orbital landing. There we go. Bam. So, we have that. Let's take a report here. Maybe we can take surface sample, keep data, crew report. Okay, well, that's good enough for me. That kind of helps with offset what we lost with the lab exploding, and recover vessel. Hey, 58 science. Let's see. Kerbin's Mountains, Kerbin's Highlands, surface sample. — 10 science just for recovering an orbital vessel. Nice. Done. Alright. What does that give us access to? Advanced rocketry or power systems. Yes. Oh, we need 90. Ow, that's expensive. Whew. Miniaturization. Ooh, oh man. Well, I think we need that worse than we need this. At the moment. General construction, what's that get us? Crew cabin. Struts. Brand Rockomax adapter, structural fuselage, Rockomax decoupler. So I'm guessing that goes with that. That's a bigger fuel tank. Let's see. Aviation, that gets us all those doodads. Huh. So the question, do I save up for that, because that's got the solar panel that we need, or do I go ahead and blow it on this? Let's hold off. I don't think we really need any of that for now. And we can, again, come back and check it out. Let's see. Let's see what the science person, is that in here? Yeah, Science Archives has to say about it. Warner von Kerman. So Kerbin. Some of these topics are much further researched than others. There's definitely some opportunities here. I think, if we go to 1 water, 3 grasslands, 4 highlands, 1 shore, mountains, launch pad, 1 report. So, if we go to the North Pole or something, that'll give us a little bit more science. So unfortunately, this doesn't seem to want to survive entry. Not at those speeds, not at orbital speeds. So I'm going to go ahead and chuck it. Ooh, right. Put this back. To help with stabilization, I'm going to put in an inline reaction wheat. Oh, right. That's the little tiny one that doesn't really do anything. Never mind. Okay. That means we don't need that. Probably should take... Maybe if we take a thermometer with us, that'll help. And a mystery goo container. Alright, so those might survive re-entry. I wonder if we went higher, how that would do. Call this the 2. Number 2. I just don't know about trying to get to the Mun quite yet with this setup. We can see what we can end up getting from we're still kind of in grindy mode where we're just running missions to try to get science. So here we go. Uh-oh. Oh no. Well, at least it's kind of tilting the right way. I'll take it. Raji Peach, not far away. You always take a sample when you get back. That's free science. They don't teach you that in Kerbal Knot School, right? Pretty. That's interesting looking. Alright, throttle up. Well, aren't getting those back. Woo! Well, at least you don't have to worry about them hitting anything, right? Oh, man. See if we can at least get on correct line this time. All right. Alright, so goo. Observe the mystery goo. Not worth it. Alright. So I think, you know, you need to make sure you come up high enough to come skidding into the atmosphere at the right angle to bleed off a lot of speed. So I'm just gonna get really high up there and see. Okay. See what that gives us. Whoa, 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 not the button. See if we can get up. Alright, so we are up there at it. I'm just curious. I want to see if altitude doesn't really give us anything. Crew report. Nada. Alright. Guess my days of science milking are probably steadily coming to a close. I'm going to get into... I wonder... Let's see. So, I wonder... Oh, so slow. Come on, move. There we go. I wonder if I can tweak the orbit in another direction and head for, like, the pole or... yeah. Alright. Okay, that does. Alright, now... burn, whatever. Alright, we'll hit the South Pole. Doesn't really matter. Let's see. Polar Explorer mission, the most wasteful one in the history of missions. Let's see. Oh, right. Staged. Bam, alright. Don't have as much thrust there, but we've got a lot more, a lot less mass. Well, we're gonna go into an orbit. I mean, we're still falling. Whoa, alright, what? Okay, that's not the right way. Huh. I think I've done goofed. We're gonna splash down somewhere or something? What are we going to do here? I've burned way too late. Crap, crap, crap. Come on. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we need to slow that down or we're going to disintegrate. Whoa, alright. Okay. Whoa! That's one way to do it. Oh, alright, yeah. Revert to launch. Alright, this is going to be a little bit longer. I was screwing around and ended up killing us all. Alright, let's try this again. Let's see, if I want to head to the pole, I think this is the way. We want to head north here, so I'm going to tip this slowly. No, we ain't tipping nothing. Wow. Alright. Booster separation, main engine fire. little bit of some thermals. We'll slow it down there. Alright. Alright. I'm just curious to see what happens if we get to the pole. That's strange. Okay. Okay, so in order to turn, I need to burn 90 degrees here. That's not right. Because that's north. That should be the pole. There we go. Alright. That's what I was looking for. Alright, so let's wait till we hit apoapsis. Alright. Take note, North Korean space program. I don't know if we'll make it or not. Alright. Not what I wanted. Crap. Alright. Light that the stage. I keep forgetting you have to be in that view to see it. Alright, here it comes. We're coming up. Alright. Alright, we don't need... We'll overshoot it just a little. There we go. Actually, just a lot. We'll overshoot it by a lot, so that way, once we... You know, we'll lose, you know, from the atmosphere and slowing down, we'll lose. We'll probably actually land back here somewhere. So, let's speed this puppy up. Okay. Now, let's slow this thing down. I have a lot of gas left, but that should bring us down quite a bit. Yes, okay. Alright. Whew, look how bright that is. Alright, let's have this. Here comes our heating event, or our re-entry event. Extend our lucky antenna. If you rotate it, it starts dropping speed a little faster, it seems like. I don't know, I'm not an expert on this type of stuff, but it seems like keeping that heat shield up like that bleeds a lot more speed. There we go, yeah. Alright. Alright, alright. Wow, yeah, we are dropping speed very quickly. Scratching the beard. Me, not the little Kerbin man. Alright, that's a nice little polar landing. Interesting. Exploring our little planet here with rockets. 2 accomplishments this mission, or this episode. Alright, we're just slowly. Alright, we're going to put out the drag chute there. There we go. Come to a bone-curdling stop. This will slowly kind of wander down to the surface here and explore this strange frozen land. Ooh. Forgot about my temperature. On. Log temperature. Keep data. Yes, indeed. 54, 40 some meters, 30. Yeah, see, we're not at sea level. We're at 30 meters above sea level. It's about 30 meters of ice, I reckon. So, time for an EVA. And we'll let go. Observe the goo. Ah, okay. So I guess we have to be inside. Let's see. Oh, that's right. It's only so we have to. So if it's going to be observed from the outside of the ship like this, you have to have someone who's a scientist. Jeb here, our boy Jeb, is not a scientist, are you, Jeb? Nope. I'm just a crazy guy. A pilot, I think it says it is. So we'll plant a flag. Let's see. So, say Jeb's polar landing. It's freaking cold. There we go. EVA report. Actually, it's pretty cold there. Spacesuit probably would be helpful. This isn't really in solid ground. You got a sample but feared to dig any deeper because the startling crackling sounds the ice made. You try not to think about how you landed here. Good enough. What's a little science without crapping our pants? F climb. B board. Alright. So now that he's inside, he can observe the goo. 3 science. Keep data. Recover vessel. And oops, I bumped the table. And let's see what we get here. 20 science earned. That's not bad. We're up to 78. So that's not a bad way to end the episode, but I'm going to call it here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.